Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Around tree garden landscaping is the intentional design and cultivation of plants, hardscapes or mulch within the critical root zone of a tree, essentially the skirt of the tree. Rather than leaving the base of a tree as bare dirt or struggling patches of grass, this practice treats the tree as a natural anchor for a mini garden. It involves selecting specific flora and decorative elements that can thrive in the unique microclimate created by a tree's canopy and root system, resulting in a cohesive, multi-layered look that bridges the gap between the vertical height of the tree and the horizontal expanse of your lawn. The benefits of landscaping around your trees go far beyond simple aesthetics. From a health perspective, a well-designed garden bed at the base of a tree replaces competitive turf grass with mulch and shade-loving plants, which helps retain soil moisture and provides a protective barrier against lawnmowers and weed whackers that can damage the bark. Environmentally, these beds reduce soil erosion and can improve the soil quality over time as organic matter breaks down. Visually, it adds depth, texture, and color to your yard, transforming a solitary trunk into a lush, intentional focal point that increases your home's overall value and curb appeal. To make your tree landscaping look truly professional, start by defining a clear edge for the garden bed, whether it's a crisp spaded edge in the grass or a more formal border of natural stones or bricks. Layering is key. Place taller, structural plants closer to the trunk and shorter, trailing varieties toward the outer rim to create a soft, sloping transition. Incorporating different textures, such as the broad leaves of hostas against the delicate fronds of ferns, adds visual interest even when flowers aren't in bloom. For a finishing touch, add a consistent layer of high-quality mulch or decorative gravel to tie the look together and give it a clean, polished appearance that highlights the natural beauty of the tree. Choosing the right plants requires understanding the specific needs of your tree, particularly regarding light and root competition. Hostas are a classic choice because they love the shade provided by large canopies and come in various sizes and variegated colors. Ferns and heuchera, coral bells, are also excellent for adding soft texture and pops of seasonal color in low light conditions. For trees with more open canopies that allow dappled sunlight, consider ground covers like vinca minor or perennial flowers like hellebores and bleeding hearts. If you are working in a tropical climate, bromeliads and variegated gingers can create a stunning exotic look that thrives in the humidity and shade found beneath palms and large leafy trees. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best around tree garden landscaping ideas to spark your creativity. One tropical palm paradise. This design showcases the power of repetition and clean lines in a tropical setting. Two mature palms are anchored by perfectly manicured hedge borders and vibrant red flower beds at their base. The lush green lawn provides a stark, beautiful contrast to the textured trunks, creating an upscale, resort-like atmosphere that emphasizes the height and majesty of the palm trees. 2. The flowering orchard circle. Perfect for large deciduous trees with wide-spreading branches. This idea uses a perfect circle of densely planted begonias to create a flower skirt. The mix of pink, red, and white blooms creates a vibrant carpet that mirrors the reach of the canopy above. This approach turns an old fruit or shade tree into a massive, colorful centerpiece for a sprawling backyard. 3. Lush woodland fern nest. This idea is all about embracing a natural woodland aesthetic. By grouping large-leafed hostas and tall, airy ferns around the base of a multi-trunk tree, you create a cool, green oasis. The variation in leaf shape and shade creates a rich tapestry of textures that looks as though it occurred naturally over time, providing a serene and grounded feel to the garden. 4. Layered tropical undergrowth. For a sophisticated tiered look, this design uses a mix of variegated ginger and dark burgundy tea plants to create depth. A low, neatly trimmed boxwood hedge acts as a frame, keeping the explosion of tropical colors and textures contained. This is a brilliant way to use color contrast light greens against deep reds, to make the base of the palms truly pop. 5. Elegant Manor Garden Bed. This design features a large, sweeping garden bed that wraps around a prominent evergreen tree. It uses a thick border of multicolored annuals to lead the eye toward the house. The use of different heights, including medium-sized shrubs and low-growing flowers, creates a professional layered effect that complements the grand architecture of the home in the background. 6. The Lakeside Blossom Island. When you have a stunning view, your landscaping should frame it without blocking it. This triangular stone-edged bed features a young flowering tree surrounded by sun-loving yellow and white blooms. The gray stone border provides a clean transition from the gravel path, making the entire garden bed look like a precious island of color against the blue backdrop of the water. 7. Wildflower and hosta shade garden. This idea focuses on a soft, informal look that works perfectly for a backyard border. By mixing variegated hostas with tall, delicate white and pink wildflowers, the base of the tree becomes a whimsical habitat for pollinators. The climbing vine on the trunk adds a vertical element of green, making the tree feel completely integrated into the garden bed. 8. Vibrant coleus carpet. If you want maximum color without relying solely on flowers, a coleus carpet is the way to go. This design uses various cultivars of coleus with purple, lime green, and burgundy leaves to create a dense, colorful mound around the trunk. It's a high-impact, low-maintenance way to ensure your tree base stays bright and interesting throughout the entire growing season. 9. Rustic stone-edged perennial bed. This idea utilizes large, flat natural stones to create a raised, rustic border around a birch tree. Inside the stone frame, a mix of ornamental grasses and flowering shrubs provides a variety of heights. The stones not only hold the soil and mulch in place, but also provide a beautiful, permanent structure that looks great even in the winter months. 10. Contemporary palm and hedge trio. In this modern front yard design, palms are used as structural pillars within a highly organized garden bed. Spherical trimmed shrubs or topiaries and low, neon green hedges create a geometric, clean look. The use of dark mulch and bright ornamental plants at the very base of the trees ensures that every element of the entryway looks intentional and meticulously maintained. Landscaping around your trees is one of the most rewarding projects you can undertake in your garden. It's a chance to play with light, shadow, and texture while giving your trees the protection and prominence they deserve. Whether you prefer the structured look of a stone-edged bed or the wild, lush feel of a woodland fern garden, the key is to choose plants that complement the tree's needs and your personal style. By following these tips, you can turn a simple trunk into a breathtaking garden feature that will thrive for years to come. If you enjoyed these tree landscaping ideas, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more outdoor inspiration. Which of these 10 styles was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest garden transformations. Happy planting!